Welcome to Aroopa Apps. Your low-code, no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact in Aroopa CRM. CRM is a breakthrough solution. It stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a tool that helps you keep track of all your customer interactions in one place. Losing a contact or missing a follow-up can seriously impact your business. But with Aroopa Apps CRM, managing customer information becomes seamless. You might be wondering, why choose Aroopa? Well, first, it saves you tons of time by organizing your customer data seamlessly. Second, it helps you truly understand your customers so you can offer them even better service. You'll have a complete history of every interaction so you'll always know exactly where you left off. Aroopa Apps helps you manage leads, close more sales, and grow your business effortlessly. If you're ready to simplify customer management and boost your business, it's time to choose Aroopa Apps CRM. Let's begin. Either sign in or sign up into Aroopa Apps. Log in using your credentials. I will guide you through how to use CRM within Aroopa Apps. There is a series of videos that I will walk you through, each covering different aspects of using the CRM. In the first video, I will demonstrate how to create a contact in the Aroopa Apps CRM. Open the dashboard menu and navigate to CRM. Select Contacts from the options. On the Contacts page, click the Create button located at the top. A new form will appear, containing the default fields designed to capture the basic customer information. These fields are pre-configured for ease of use and to ensure that all necessary details are collected efficiently. Each customer may have unique requirements, and Aroopa CRM allows for seamless customization to meet those needs. To add fields specific to a customer's requirements, follow these steps. Click on Switch to Design. This will take you to the design page where you can customize the form. On this page, you'll find all the necessary tools to modify the form. For this example, I will drag and drop a select field, label it as customer status, and define options such as lead, prospect, etc. Once the field is configured, click Save. To demonstrate, I will now fill in some details in the form as an example. Another method for creating customer contacts is by using the Add Contact Instantly option. Simply click this button, fill in the required details, and save the contact. Additionally, the system provides a variety of filters that can be used to quickly retrieve specific information or locate a particular customer. You can filter by fields such as contact name, created date, email, and more by entering the criteria in the corresponding filter fields. For more advanced filtering, you can create custom filters. To do this, click the plus button at the top. Name your filter, select Add Rule, choose the desired field, and save it. Click Show Filter and you will find the filters that you create. To view the full details of a customer, click on their name. This will open the complete customer form. Any comments, etc., can be added below. If any information needs to be updated, click the edit button at the top. The contact activity section provides a comprehensive history of all actions, from the creation of the form to any edits made, including timestamps of when these changes occurred. Additionally, the flow history and message logs are available. If any workflows have been created involving this contact, they will be displayed in the flow history. All emails sent to the contact's email address will appear in the message logs. Finally, you can set reminders for the contact, ensuring that important follow-ups or actions are not missed. There are two viewing options available: Grid View and Kanban View. Currently, we are in the Grid View. To switch to Kanban View, click on Kanban View and choose the field you want to view by. This view will display all the available options for that field. For example, in my case, the options are Lead, Prospect, Not Interested, and Account Created. For the customer status, if a customer moves from one status to another, such as from lead to prospect, I can simply drag the customer from the lead column and drop them into the prospect column. Similarly, if they register, I can move them from the prospect to the account created. Next, to import customer data, click on Import from here. You can download a template, fill in the customer details, and upload the file. The system will automatically populate the customer information into the corresponding fields. Lastly, there is also a filter button which allows you to filter customer data based on specific fields in this view. Thank you for watching our video on how to create a contact in Aroopa CRM. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create companies in Aroopa Apps CRM. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Aroopa Apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@aroopaapps.com. Thank you.